I think I messed up my first YouTube video. But here's what I wish I knew before I started. Let's fix your channel right now. Step 1. Pick a topic you love and that people are actually searching for. Check what's trending, or answer questions everyone's asking in your niche. Next, keep your videos short, punchy, and packed with value. Don't waste time on long intros. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Step 2. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. It sounds basic, but it works. Seriously, just remind them. Step 3. Reply to every comment. The more you engage, the faster your channel grows. Now for monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Post consistently, at least once a week. And don't forget catchy titles and killer thumbnails. Ready to blow up your channel? Hit like, drop a comment with your channel name, and subscribe for more tips. This is your year to go viral.